everyone, today I'll be making Magic Minty Fudge. What all goes into the Magic Minty Fudge? 1 bag, 12 ounces, or 2 cups of dark chocolate chips. I have milk chocolate, so I'll be using this. 1 16-ounce tub of milk chocolate frosting. I have chocolate buttercream. I'm hoping that will work. 1 10-ounce bag of mint-flavored chips. 1 16-ounce container vanilla frosting. And all I have is the creamy buttercream. 1/2 cup white vanilla chips. And 2 tablespoons chocolate sprinkles. So let's begin. Take a 9-inch pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. And set that aside. Take a medium microwavable bowl, dump in your chocolate chips, put them in the microwave, cook them at 30-second increments, stirring after each one. That took about 2 minutes. Then stir in your chocolate frosting. And again, I'm not sure how well buttercream frosting will work with this, but it was all I had. Take your 9x9 pan and dump in the chocolate frosting and chocolate chip mix into the bottom of the pan. And get it as even as possible. In another microwavable bowl, take your mint baking chips and dump those in that. And just like the chocolate chip, we will be melting these in 30-second increments, stirring after each time. So after a minute and a half in the microwave, it is melted and smooth. We will dump in the white vanilla frosting, which is actually buttercream, and mix that up until fully combined. Then put your mint layer on top of the chocolate layer. And it's kind of a dirty white, tannish color. And get it as even as possible. So the next step, it says to put in a freezer bag, the 1/2 cup of the white chips. I'm just going to put them in a bigger bowl and melt them like I did the other ones. And we'll melt these in the microwave for 30 to 60 seconds. So the white chips are softened, and if you're using the bag, just cut end off the bag and drizzle it over the fudge. I have my drizzle spoon, so I'm going to be using that. Then take your chocolate sprinkles and sprinkle that all over the fudge. Then you want to refrigerate it until it's firm, about 1 hour. So here is the Magic Minty Fudge. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Oh, it's cold. Smells minty. Oh, that's good. Is that mint chocolate chip?
It has a layer of chocolate chip and chocolate frosting and a layer of mint chips and vanilla frosting and drizzled with vanilla chips.
That is really good. It's very rich.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.